If you look at this question, students, here, one thing we can easily say here, this is log to the base e of 1 plus x divided by x. Answer to the question will be equal to what? 1 plus x divided by x. 1 divided by 1 plus x into 1 divided by 1. So the answer to the question will be equal to 1 when limit x tends to 0. These are certain formulas which you have to know. And limiting value of x tending to 0. So tan inverse x divided by x is also equal to 1, right? Tan inverse of x divided by x is also equal to 1. So what I'll do here, I'll divide by x and I'll multiply by x. So definitely when x tends to 0, see I can solve it in discrete parts now. Limit x tends to 0, I'll write like this, 2 to the power sin x minus 1, is it okay? Into limit x tends to 0, log to the base e of 1 plus sin 2x, what I'll do, I'll divide by sin 2x and I'll multiply by sin 2x, is it okay? I'll multiply by sin 2x and divide by sin 2x, whole divided by limit x tends to 0 of x square into, or I'll write like this, of tan inverse x divided by x into limit x tends to 0 of what is it? X square. Are you getting it? Of x square. So now this part will become equal to what? This part will become equal to 1. This part will become equal to 1. Is it correct? This part will become equal to 1. Are you following? Log 1 plus x divided by x form. This part. When x tends to 0, sin 2x also tends to 0. Correct. So now we can write here limit x tends to 0. So this part has contributed to 1 and this part has contributed to 1, right? So 2 to the power sin x minus 1 into sin 2x divided by x square is there. So x square is there. So what is your answer? Limiting value of x tends to 0. Sin x divided by x is also equal to 1. Or when 2x tends to 0, 2x divided by 2x is also equal to 1, right? So what we'll do, we'll multiply by 2 and divide by 2 and we'll write like this, limiting value of x tending to 0, 2 to the power sin x minus 1 divided by x divided by 2 into sin 2x divided by 2x, correct? So this part also will contribute to becoming 1. So what is this answer that we are getting now? We'll get limiting value of x tends to 0 of 2 into 2 to the power sin x minus 1 divided by x. Now you'll clearly see here, you're getting here 0 by 0 form. Now apply the L'Hospital's rule. So what is that answer that we get now? Limiting value of x tending to 0, 2 into 2 to the power sin x into log 2 to the base e into cos x minus of 0 divided by 1. So what is the answer that we get? The answer what we get here is 2 into 2 to the power 0 into log 2 to the base e into cos 0 minus 0 divided by 1. So your answer to the question will be 2 log 2 to the base e. This will be the answer to the question. 2 log 2 to the base e is the answer to the question.